Make a great choice today with the 2017 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance of the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure BMW owners have come to expect.